our team Crime Busters. Myself Siddesh, Anmol, Gautam, and this is our ADT project. We have developed a crime analytics website useful for officers and civilians both to track crime in New York City. Our aim was to make this a one-stop solution to analyze trends and identify crime hotspots in the city through past patterns. The website is created using Flask and we have used Neo4j to depict the NYC arrest data in graphical nature. Now I'll hand over the presentation to Gautam.
Hello guys, myself Gautam, and as you can see, this is the homepage of our website Crime Analysis, NYPD arrest data analysis. And here we are welcomed with the functionalities of the website, that is demographic, recent arrests, arrest trends, and manage arrests. Let us go over them. When we go into the tab demographics, we're welcomed by a vibrant visualizations about the demographics of these arrests, for example, the gender, age group distribution, race distribution. And when you hover over them, we get to see the corresponding percentages as well. Next, we also added a feature called recent arrests, which tells us about gives us an overview about the recent arrests that happened in the month. This gives an idea about the type of arrest and statistics of the arrest that is happening around you. I mean, for the civilians of New York City. And next, we also have something called trends, which are some cool visualizations about the summary statistics of the arrest. Here, for example, we have last 14 days trends, and we have the charges, pie chart of charges, like which charges contribute most to the arrest. For example, here we have assaults and related offenses, and the highest percentage goes to other. Next, we also added a map which shows us the uh, which shows us the points, that is those are the arrests that happened in the New York City boroughs. And as you can see here, the density of the points are majorly concentrated here compared to these points here. So this tells us about the hotspots of the crime, like where are the crime mostly happening in past few months or past few years. Next, we are finally we have something called manage arrest, which is used for CRUD operations, and this is only accessible to the officers of the New York City. For example, here they can enter their username and password, and when they log in, they have access, and these are the records where they have access to edit, delete, and also create. Let us demonstrate the CRUD operations now. Here I'll enter random edit arrest key and arrest data. This is a race. These are some random values which I'm adding just for the demonstration. As you can see here, the record has been added successfully. Now I can edit this. For example, I can change the borough to be Manhattan. As you can see here, the location has been updated successfully. Now I can go ahead and delete this. Now this successfully deletes the record. In this way, we have demonstrated what our website does and also the CRUD operations possible in our website. Now my teammate Anmol will continue.
So I would like to tell you guys about the planning that we did towards the end, where we tried to include a chatbot that would answer generic questions like how many cases were reported at a particular place like Bronx on a particular day. We try to use a RAG model from Hugging Face to generate cipher queries based on the questions. We integrated models like Google Plantify, but there were syntactical issues with the output generated, the output queries. So we had to fine tune the model very well in order to get better response queries. So this is something that we would like to integrate in the future. The second point being, we would also like to improve our data analysis, the charts. We would like to make it more interactive and more insightful for the police officers so that they can better handle their resources and their dispatches. So I hope you guys enjoyed our presentation and our project. Thank you.